It's cause you bad, yeah. You bad, baby. You bad, yeah, you bad.
What it do, love bugs? Welcome back to the channel, baby. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, we're gonna be doing a little DIY. Baby, DIY. So I'm going to be taking these shelves behind me and turning them, I wish I could snap my finger and baby black, but yeah, I'm gonna turn them black. So I ordered this sticky paper off Amazon, and it's like the same wooden print, but only, oh, I hope y'all can see that. The same wooden print, but only it's in black. So, yeah, this is gonna be a task, guys. I have never did anything like this before. I am left-handed, so baby, me and scissors really don't match, but I think you just like, it's sticky. You just take the back off and stick it on there, so it shouldn't be that hard, I hope. But yeah, baby, so if you want to see how it comes out, keep on watching. But first, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, without further ado, baby, let's get to sticking. Stick and move, stick and move. Okay, so I went ahead and did one just to make sure that I could do it. And it was not that hard, but I'm just scared for these long ones. I think I should have maybe got 2 rows of, yeah, I think I probably should have got 2 rows of that. So I think I'm gonna do the small ones first, and then I think I'm gonna do the small ones first, and then I'm gonna start maybe from the bottom. So I'll let y'all see how I do this little one. I actually did it on the kitchen counter, because you know you just need room. So we're just gonna go in there. Okay, hopefully y'all can see this. So I have one of the small ones, and so that back piece, it only took half of it, so I already have the back piece cut for this one. Boom, I'm gonna just set this to the side. So then what I did was, I just rolled it all the way down like that. And then I pulled it out, so you know you'll have room for like your sides. And then flip it over so I can see where to cut. I'm gonna cut this line. Move out of my way. You see, I'm trying to show out like I'm crafty. Like that. Okay. So then I just flip it over just to make sure again that, you know, okay, yeah. So now I just pull off the back part. And then I kind of put this to the edge so I can do that end first. So then I kind of just lay it on. Boom, boom. And I think we can do it just like this. So to make sure that, you know, it ain't no bubbles and all that, I like to, oh my gosh. Y'all, I like to lay it on and then do it again. Okay, that's good. So then, like I said, I moved this to the side so we can do the side real smooth. And this, something is on here. And then the same goes for this side. Okay? So then I'm just gonna pick it up. Okay. So then I'm just gonna lay this side over because this is the bottom, so this doesn't really matter. I mean, well, it matters, but you know, I still don't want like no ridges or anything in it, but you just lay it over like that. And the same for this side. Okay? So, oh, let me do this. So then, for this part, I kind of had to like wig it and like treat it like a present almost. Or let me cut this off. So I did, but then that kind of left. I don't know. I'm winging this part. The sides I haven't like found like the best like method for this yet. So for now, we're just gonna kind of close that out. It's still gonna do that. So like lay that part down. Can y'all see? Oh, y'all can't even see. So I'm laying the sides down and like closing it like a present. And then I make sure like ain't no ridges or nothing in it. So kind of like that. And then I'll just take these little pieces that, you know, that I took off, and if I need to, I'm gonna use them. So let's do the other side. Okay, so then we get the part for the back because it should be the same. And then see like this piece right here I can use for that, to cover that up. I can use that piece for that. And then this piece for this. So those are the pieces that like I cut off, like I've been needing them. So then I get this off of here. Okay, so now we have the back piece. And we're just going to lace it like so. And guys, we have another one. So yeah, y'all seeing how I'm doing it or whatever. So I'm gonna try to do the rest. Like I said, hopefully I don't run out. I don't think I will, but it's just the longer ones that I'm kind of scared of. But yeah, I'm gonna do the rest and then I'm gonna show y'all, you know, the finished product. So let's get to our crafting, because listen, those brown, it just didn't go with nothing in there. Our table is black and gold. Everything in there is gonna be black and gold. So the shelves needed to be black. So yeah. Okay. Okay guys, so I have finished the shelves. I cannot believe that I did it. It was not as hard, I guess, as I thought it was. And so y'all see it's still giving like the wood look. And yeah, I absolutely love them. Okay guys, if you want to see how I decorate the shelves, make sure you tune in to part 2, which will be my Amazon home must-have items. You guys don't want to miss this video. The shelves came out so perfect, and I'm so excited to start sharing my home interior design with you guys. Again, thank you guys so much for watching.
It's 'cause you bad, yeah. You bad, baby.